Good morning, student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. I am your EVS teacher. Today I am going to tell you about the back exercise of the lesson 6 good habit. Before starting the back exercise, I want to inform you about your pre-midterm syllabus. Your pre-midterm syllabus lesson 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 lessons will be there in your pre-midterm exam. And regarding the timetable, we will inform you in our coming videos. So, how much lesson will be there in your pre-midterm exam? Lesson 1 to 4. Now, let's start the back exercise of the lesson 6. First, in page number 36, student, it is given fill in the blanks. First one is dash help us to be healthy and live a happy life. First it is given what help us to be healthy and to live a happy life. So it is good habits. How will you spell good habit? G-O-O-D good, H-A-B-I-T-S habit. So in the first filling the blanks you will write good habits. Student, you have to write with pencil only. We must say dash when someone give us something. Second one is we must say dash when someone give us something. It is thank you. Spelling is T-H-A-N-K. Thank, Y-O-U. Now third one is we should dash our elders and dash them. We should greet our elders and respect them. In the first dash we will write greet, G-R-E-E-T, greet, and in the second we will write R-E-X-P-E-C-T, respect. Fourth one, dash is next to godliness. In the fourth fill in the blanks you will write cleanliness, C-L-E-A-N-L-I-N-E-S-S, cleanliness. Next is fifth one is dash wins you more friends. In the fifth fill in the blanks you will write politeness, P-O-L-I-T-E-N-E-S-S, politeness. Sixth one is we should eat dash food. Which type of food should we eat? It is in the sixth one you will write healthy, H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. We should throw dash in the dustbin. What should we throw in the dustbin? It is garbage. So the spelling of garbage is G-A-R-B-A-G-E, garbage. Next is we should wear clean dash. What should we wear clean? It is cloth. So we should wear clean cloth. Spelling of cloth is C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloth. Children, you should write all these filling the blanks in your book with pencil. Now second question in page number 36 is tick the good habit. You have to tick the habits which are good. First habit is we should greet our elders. Student, can you tell me this is a good habit or not? We should greet our elders. Yes, so I have put tick mark. You have to put the tick mark with your pencil. The second one is we should watch television for a long time. Children, should we watch television for the long time? It is a good habit? No. So I have put a cross. You should put cross there. It is not a good habit. Next, third one is we should not be polite to other. Student, we should not be polite to other. It is wrong. We should be polite to others. So it is not a good habit. We should take bath once in a week. Should we take bath once in a week? Wrong. It is not a good habit. So I have put there cross. Next is we should not push other. Student, we should not push other. It is true. It is a good habit. We should not push anyone. Next, in page number 36 itself, look the picture below and write what you should say. There are 4 pictures, student. You have to see that picture, and it in the first picture it is written you hurt someone. Student, you have to use the magical word. I have told you 4 magical word now. Sorry, please, thank you, excuse me. So you have to write that magical word. First one is you hurt someone. Which magical word you use when you hurt someone? You have to write there. Next one is when your father give you toy, what did you say? Then you have to write there. Third one, you ask for a pencil from your friend. I have told you now how you are asking pencil when you have not brought in the school pencil. So you have to write there. You sneeze. What you say when you sneeze? So I have taught you now. So in this, by reading this and seeing the picture, you have to write the 4 magical words. What are the 4 magical words? Sorry, please, thank you, and excuse me. These are the 4 magical words which you have to write there. So this is your homework. Do it by yourself. Next is answer the following question. Student, this also you have to write in your book itself with pencil. So what is the first question? First question is what are the 4 magical words? I have written answer in a separate page, so I am reading from there. What are the 4 magical words? Student, you know what are the 4 magical words? Sorry, please, thank you, and excuse me. Sorry, please, thank you, and excuse me are the 4 magical words. I have told you now. These are the 4 magical words. Write any 3 good habits. Student, you have to write down the 3 good habits. So, we should greet our elders and respect them. We should wait for our turn and not push other. We should not watch television for too long. These are the 3 good habits. Next is when should we say thank you? Student, all of you know when should we say thank you? We say thank you when somebody give us something. We say thank you when somebody give us something. Why should we speak politely? We should speak politely because politeness win more friend. Because politeness win more friend. Next is when do we wash our hands? When do you wash our hands, children? We should wash our hands before and after eating. Write any 3 healthy habits. Student, you have to write 3 healthy habits. We should get up early and go to bed early. First healthy habit is we should get up early and go to bed early. We should brush our teeth twice daily. Next, third is we should wash our hands before and after eating. These are the 3 healthy habits. First one is we should get up early and go to bed early. We should brush our teeth twice daily. We should wash our hand after and before eating. Next is how can we keep ourselves fit and healthy? Children, how can we keep ourselves fit and healthy? By doing exercise daily, we can keep ourselves fit and healthy. How can we keep ourselves fit and healthy? By doing exercise. Next, in page number 37, student, we have to list the good habits and the healthy habits. There are 2 columns. In first you have to write your good habits and the second you have to write the healthy habit. This is also your homework. Children, do this work with pencil in book itself. So I hope student you will complete this back exercise of the lesson 6. Write in neat writing, clean and neat writing, student, and start preparing for the pre-mid exam. I have told you the syllabus. It is lesson 1 to 4. So student, start studying at your home, obey your parents and do reading also. EVS, do reading also and start learning filling the blanks and question answers today. Thank you. I hope you will start studying for your exam.